Students, our today's topic is human capital formation. Human capital formation is process of acquiring and increasing the number of persons who have the skill, education, and experience which are essential for the economic and political development of a country. This definition of human capital formation is given by G.M. Meir. Now, human capital formation refers to the stock of skill and expertise of a nation at a point of time. For an example, engineers, doctors, professors, and workers of all types who are engaged or can be engaged in the process of production are a part of human capital formation, or these are called human capital. Now, how people become resource or say determinants are sources of human capital formation. Now, how people become a resource or how we add to existing stock of human capital, there are some important ways of adding to the existing stock of human capital. For an example, one is expenditure on education. Expenditure on education is the most important way of adding to productive workforce in the country. Most families decide to spend a handsome amount on education even by raising loans because its returns are substantially large. Now, second way of adding to human capital formation or the stock of existing human capital is expenditure on health. A sound mind in a sound body is an old saying. So, expenditure on health makes a person more efficient and hence more productive. A healthy person adds more to GDP than a sick person. Therefore, expenditure on health is an important determinant of human capital formation. Now, third is on the job training. On the job training means to make persons specialized in skill by which they become more efficient and more productive. Therefore, expenditure on such training program is another important determinant of human capital formation.